Hi there. In this video I am going to show you one of my live trading streams. This time I used the strategy with Bollinger Bands. I monitored price charts using my accounts in two companies at once, but as a rule, Quotex does not provide great yield percentage on currency pairs during these hours. That's why, almost all transactions in this video are made using the pocket option account. I will comment on the situations on the price charts, in which I made market entries. Let me remind you that I talked about all the rules of this strategy, which we have been using for more than 5 years, in a separate video. The link to it is now in the top right corner. In the description of this video you will find a link to the free trading course for beginners. In this course, I described in detail and demonstrated my trading strategies, a money management model, rules of changing the expiration time, and I shared my book recommendations for novice traders. In addition, in the description you will find links to the official websites of both brokers, the accounts of which I used for trading in this video. So, let's get down to trading. Now on the price chart we see a wide channel built by the Bollinger Bands indicator. The market price almost touched the bottom band, so I entered into a call option with the expiration time of 3 minutes. This live trade recording is sped up for your convenience. As a reminder, use 25 and 3 for period and deviation in the Bollinger Band settings. This strategy cannot be used at any time of day. This is also important. You can find all the details in a separate video or in my free trading course. The trade closes with a loss and I immediately make a new trade with the same expiration as the previous one, but now for $30. The direction of the transaction is up, as in the previous option. In trading, I use a series of 6 trades. This is the maximum value for me. Moreover, if the situation requires a 4th trade, then I already begin to change the expiration of options. You can find further information in my free course. The market price on the chart is already turning upwards. At this time of day the market simply does not have enough strength for a long trending price movement. The $30 trade closes with a profit. I made the next trade on the Quotex platform. This is a respectable company, and I prefer using my account on this platform for news trading. At the moment of making a trade, the price channel was of medium width on the chart. That's why I was waiting for the price to touch the indicator line. A call option is already entered for 3 minutes. Almost instantly, the price bounced up from the band and continued to rise almost all the time until the moment of completion. There were no difficulties here. My trade is closed with a profit, and now we can move on to the next market situation. Here we see a very strong upward price momentum. As the price approached the upper band, I entered into a put option. Almost right away, the price reached the Bollinger Band, but this is not a serious problem. By the way, don't forget to inspect market situations for the presence of the filter, which I talked about in my course. This is important. The price swiftly rushes down, which is not surprising. This development underlies almost all strategies that use fast price momentum to make trades. I described this in detail in the lessons 2 and 4 of the course. The trade closes and we move on to the last trade I had in that online stream. The width of the price channel is greater than the average value. The price is approaching the upper band of the indicator, and I enter into a put position. This time there is no such rapid price reversal as we saw in the previous example, but the price is confidently correcting downwards. Soon we will see how this position will be closed, and I thank you for watching the video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, be sure to take my course. It's completely free. I wish you successful trading and see you soon.